Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Reppo update for you guys. So I mentioned Reppo on the channel around 15 mil market cap, right? And now it's at 22 million market cap, right? It's moving up. It's one of the only bullish coins in the market right now. Zora starting to move up as well, right? But Reppo is showing a lot of strength. In my previous video, I think a $2 price prediction for Reppo is definitely in the cards, man. Like I said in the video, it's Tau and poly market on steroids, right? Why do I say this? If you go through their white paper, do your own research, you'll see just how powerful Reppo is. It is in the virtuals ecosystem, but that doesn't stop it from growing. That doesn't stop it from, going to a massive market cap in the next level, right? Because AIXBT, for example, I think was the biggest launch out of the virtuals ecosystem, and that went to 750 mil market cap, right? Take a look at AIXBT, just to compare, just to show you guys, nothing is unrealistic in this space. This is why we're in crypto. So AIXBT went on its run. Obviously the market conditions are different, but that doesn't matter because we had KTA in March, and KTA was at 20 to 30 mil, 35 mil market cap, and went all the way to 1.6 billion market cap in 2 months, from March, April, May, right? This year, when the market conditions are so bad, right? So it's possible, right? That's why we are here in crypto, because of moves like that. So AIXBT all-time high. Let's see, it's not letting me glide over it. It's moving a little. There we go. 745 million market cap, right? So Reppo getting to that market cap, like I said, is not out of the ordinary. I think $2 is possible for Reppo, right? Remember, AIXBT was also a part of the virtuals ecosystem, and look at how great that did, right? 745 million market cap. The utility, however, for Reppo is on a next level, and that's why it's going to be absolutely bullish for Reppo. That's why I'm absolutely bullish on Reppo, and that's why I think it'll, just absolutely just explode out of here, right? From Turtle, Tibber is up 40%, now trading at 200 mil market cap. Biggest token in virtuals ecosystem, strong indicator of the entire ecosystem. Reppo is naturally the first one to catch bids, as it's outperforming everything else on base, right? Reppo, great to see robotics subnet added alongside robotics edge case heavy, continuous feedback domain. When what you offer is innovative, unique, solves a critical problem, momentum is just a matter of time. I hope you stacked up on Reppo, my friend, right? And Reppo is moving for a reason. The chart is the surface. Here is what actually matters, right? So as you can see, it's breaking out. Next move up to a new all-time high. This is from Goon Crypto. Next move up to a new all-time high for Reppo is definitely in the cards. One of the best performers, one of the best performers. I'm telling you guys, like, honestly, one of the best performers, if not the best on base, right? I'm telling you right now, it's literally one of the best performers in the entire market, actually, in my opinion, right? 15 mil market cap, that I talked about it first on this dip. I know people got him back here at 3 to 5 mil market cap. I get it. 50 mil market cap dip entry. Hey, now we're up. It's up to 22 million market cap. Like I said in my previous videos, 30k Reppo is how much? $669 for 30k Reppo. So how much is a good investment right here? Let's see. $1,000 of Reppo. How much is that? 45k Reppo. I think 45k to 25k Reppo is a good bet. 30k Reppo, 45k Reppo. $1,000 in Reppo could go extremely far from here, guys, because Reppo gets to my price targets of $1 to $2, right? You make $45,000, if not $90,000, right? That's a lot. Those are the type of gains you get in this space that could completely turn your portfolio around for the better, man. It could be like a life-changing trade for you as well. A lot of people would be like, wow, 45k from $1,000. These are the type of moves we see in crypto. You only get moves like this in crypto. So a lot of people talked about Tibber Tibber is also in the virtuals ecosystem, up 50%. And Tibber is making a nice bounce right here, up 49.87%, up 50% for Tibber, right? And it's at 214 mil market cap, and it got all the way to 432 mil market cap, right? And people think Tibber is going to a billion, if not 2 to 3 billion. That's where people's targets are for Tibber. So if Tibber got to 430 mil market cap, again, can't rule that out for Reppo. You can't rule that out. Massive communities formed, great utility, great use case. They have the white paper. They could show you to your face, hey, this is why this project is amazing. People that are, who don't want to trade Vaporwave anymore, Reppo is the project for them. Reppo is if you don't want to trade Vaporwave, Reppo is definitely the project for you. So yeah, number 4 trending on base right now as well. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.